You may tell yourself, I am a teacher, a business person, a parent, a friend. But if you peel back those layers, if you imagine losing the job, the possessions, the relationships, who remains? We live as if these masks are who we are, and yet deep down, a part of us knows they are only roles in a play, costumes we put on, not the actor who wears them. Think of the successful professional who worked all his life to climb the corporate ladder. Every promotion brought a moment of pride, every title a new badge of honor. Yet late at night, after the applause of the world faded, he sat in his quiet apartment feeling hollow, asking himself, what now? Or consider the artist whose fame grew so large that people no longer saw her, but only the image, the persona they projected onto her. She became trapped, unable to create freely, terrified that if she painted what she truly felt, people might reject her. Success, titles, admiration, none of them answered the original question. And then there is the ordinary man or woman, someone like you and me, living a life of responsibilities, bills, relationships, joys and struggles.